This is our level and flow monitor, differential level transmitter, model DLT 2.0, made by Greyline Instruments, and we use it in our gray water station, the sewer water that comes this way. I'm going to show you how this transmitter is used in our business part of the gray water. This is our system here that controls the solids, takes the solids out of the water, out of the gray water. And we have our Greyline level indicators. So what happens here, we have level A before the grill that's there, and then we have level B. So when we have established what differential we want between the two levels, the Greyline monitor will establish when it should start. So this is basically what we're using the Greyline product for, to maintain a good functioning of our equipment, making sure that the rake doesn't take off every time for no reason at all. You know, we need it to work when we need it to work, but we don't want the equipment to be running all the time for no reason. So we're saving energy and electricity with this, and we're saving also a lot of wear on the equipment. So this equipment that we've upgraded to works very, very, very efficiently, and we're happy to get it. It's very recent purchase that the Town of Port-Cartier has made, and it lowers costs and the cost of running equipment, and it's very, very, very efficient, a very good and efficient piece of equipment. So that's basically what we use the Greyline DLT 2.0 differential level transmitter for. Presently it's activating the rake. As you can see down here, the light has just lit up, and it's actually making the functioning part of the rake, if you'd call it, to take away the plastics and the solids that you would find in the gray water. So that's basically the story for our purchase of Greyline Instruments DLT 2.0 differential level transmitter.